FreeCAD versus Tinkercad. Which CAD tool is better for beginners? Choosing the right CAD software can transform your design skills without overwhelming complexity. FreeCAD offers advanced features, while Tinkercad focuses on simplicity and ease of use. FreeCAD and Tinkercad are popular CAD tools but serve different needs. FreeCAD is a powerful open-source platform with extensive modeling capabilities. Tinkercad is an intuitive browser-based tool designed for quick, easy 3D modeling. The core difference is complexity versus simplicity. FreeCAD is a free open-source parametric 3D CAD modeler that excels at detailed and complex designs. It works by allowing users to create models based on parameters and constraints, making it easy to modify designs by changing values. FreeCAD supports a wide range of modeling techniques, including solid modeling, mesh design, and technical drawing. Its modular architecture enables users to extend functionality with plugins and scripts. Strengths include its flexibility, powerful features, and suitability for engineering and product design. However, FreeCAD is a steeper learning curve and requires more time to master, which might be challenging for absolute beginners. It is ideal for users who want a professional-grade tool without the cost and who are willing to invest time learning advanced CAD concepts. Tinkercad is a free, web-based CAD tool focused on accessibility and ease of use. It operates entirely in the browser, requiring no installation, and uses a block-building approach to 3D design. Users drag and drop simple shapes to create models, making it highly intuitive for beginners. Tinkercad includes features like basic 3D modeling, electronic simulation, and code blocks for simple programming. Its strengths lie in its user-friendly interface, fast learning curve, and suitability for educational purposes or quick prototypes. Limitations include less advanced modeling capabilities and fewer tools for complex designs compared to professional CAD software. Tinkercad is perfect for hobbyists, educators, and beginners who want to start 3D modeling quickly without technical barriers or software installation. Comparing FreeCAD and Tinkercad highlights a trade-off between depth and simplicity. FreeCAD offers advanced parametric modeling, ideal for engineering projects requiring precision and flexibility, but its complexity demands time and patience. Tinkercad, on the other hand, prioritizes ease of use and speed, making it excellent for beginners, educators, and casual users creating simple models or prototypes. For example, a student learning 3D design might prefer Tinkercad's straightforward interface, while a product designer needing detailed control would benefit more from FreeCAD. Both tools are free, but FreeCAD requires installation and a learning commitment, whereas Tinkercad runs in any modern browser with minimal setup. The choice depends on your goals: quick, accessible design or powerful professional-grade modeling. Choose FreeCAD if you want a robust, professional CAD tool with parametric control and are ready to invest time learning advanced design techniques. Options summarize versus and the default. This advert a simple browser-based CAD experience that lets you create and prototype quickly without technical hurdles. It's the best starting point for beginners who want to explore 3D modeling with minimal setup